First order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is going to be $23, going 9 miles, 15 items.
$3.49. $3.99. $4.99.
Hello.
Hello.
So I need a pin from you.
Yeah.
This is going to be $12 going 6 miles. I feel like with Walmart orders, it's a little iffy. It all depends on how quickly they can gather all the stuff and bring it out to your car. And now we wait. Was that it?
Yep, that's, come on. The big one scan. There you go.
Thank you.
Big bag.
Have a good day. All that's in the bag is 1 big bottle of laxative and like 3 big cases of chewing gum. This next order is not very good at all, but it is taking me where I want to be right now, so that's my excuse. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 6 miles, 2 items.
Every time I do, I guess.
Who's ready for another Spanish lesson? Huevos. Huevos.
Welcome.
Next up, we've got, oh, this is a stack. I thought it was just one order. Oh well. This is a stacked Starbucks, $9 and some change going 3.5 miles.
Here's Elizabeth and Jessica.
Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you. Have a good day.
It's upstairs, white BMW outside. Next order up, we've got a Victor Rico's. This one's $9 going 6 miles. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $7 going 1 mile, 1 item. And then just a scribble on that line for me. What is this? Shop and deliver for Target, $10.50 going 3 miles, 4 items, sure. was so warm in there. I was about to start stripping, to be honest. We are heading to Starbucks for a $7 order going 3.5 miles. Thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 and some change, going 4 miles, 2 items. Or sits upstairs. Wait, is it upstairs? No, it's not. I am just dumb. All right, it has slowed down and I have things to do, so I think this is a good time to call it. Current time is 11:03. Current total is 89, and I have 2 Uber tips I'm waiting on. So that should bring it up to close to 100 actually. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.